Welcome. So, we are going to be talking about Nmap generally, like what you could do with Nmap. There are a whole lot we can do with Nmap, yes. So, I think for now we'll be talking about just these seven things. I'm very sure you'll be familiar with it. So, from port specifications to port scan and discovery to version detection to OS fingerprinting, ways to send your results as an output, like literally see them as a file, then Nmap scripts, and a way to evade firewalls. Running Nmaps can be very aggressive, and most times EDRs detect them. So we get to evade firewalls with the little way we can. So I'll be starting with port specifications, and there are really different ways we could specify our ports when running an Nmap scan. So let's get started. So I'll be starting with this command says nmap p. I'll be specifying port 23. Actually, from what I ran initially, at this part, I didn't specify any port, so it just ran and picked whatever port it discovered. I would be specifying port 23, which I don't think is open, but let's see. Okay, it says since host is down, I want us to specify one of these ports that we could see that is open here. So let's do port 135 and see. I think there's an issue. Wow, I really might be needing to rerun this all over again. So let's just see. Okay, this worked, but what would be the problem? I'm not sure, but let's see something else. I don't know what exactly could be wrong, or rather, let me do port 445 and see what happens. Like it's supposed to work, right? So I don't know what exactly is like going on, why it's not working, but let's see. Let's see this general port scan. And I would love that we don't make the mistake of not adding the last dash. So there seems to be an issue that I do not know what exactly is wrong, because it's supposed to work. Yes, it is supposed to work, but whatever the reason is why it is not working, let's see something else. Let me do port 100 to port 100 to port 2500. The reason I'm doing that is because every port here is within that range, so I want to see if this will yield a good result, or it's still running into an error, and I really don't know what could be blocking this. I'm not sure. um like there are literally a lot of things we could do with Emma, but most times we actually just um run into errors at all. Like we can see from here, this error keep repeating itself, and Or maybe I should just do sudo. I don't know if it will work, but let's do sudo. I hope it works. Please work. Please work. Work. Please. Okay. So the mistake we've been making is I think because I did not have sudo. So let me do the same for this, specifying a range of ports, because I know that the open ports I discovered initially was just within this range. So I'm still going to use it, but with sudo now. I hope it works. Let's see. So if you notice, you discover that what Nmap does is that directly from you running this scan, it gives you the port number, it gives you the state if it is open or not, then it tells you the service that is running, and obviously we can see it gave us the output of our, it gave us a response, right? So here we are. So I think I've spoken about, we've touched about three different ways for port scanning. I hope you get what I'm doing. So it's just dash p, spoken about dash p, we've spoken about the dash p dash. I think that worked. Dash p, and also the dash p with a range of ports, say 100 to 4000, and this could just be specified just one port. So let's run this and see for a port that we know is not open. Let's run this. We know that we've noticed now that it's sudo that we really need to run, that would possibly help our ministry in running this, like getting it through. So it should return an error since it's not open. So let's see. So we could see now that this particular port 23, it is not open, but it gave me as an output, and port 23 is telnet, and it's telling me that it is filtered. That means it's either something is blocking it, I guess maybe a firewall or something, but it's not open, neither is it closed, I guess. So I think that's all for port specifications, and let's try this that says sequential port scan. I want to do something around this. So R does the work of sequential port scan, and I want to ensure that I use my sudo, because it's like sudo says a whole lot. I'm spending so much time already, but let's see how we go. Okay, so for a sequential port scan, I don't know if you noticed anything. So what happened was that he ensured that he returned it of in the order of the ports. Port 135 came first, then 139, 445, 217 for all open ports. Another thing I want us to try is the fast port scan. The fast port scan is usually in Nmap in this order: Nmap, F, and the IP address. So it's capital F. Oh no, it's capital F, and I hope you don't make mistake with ensuring that it is capital F. Space, then paste this, and let's run. It's meant to be fast, right? Like give us a response really fast, but doesn't seem like it's fast anyways. But I guess it's going to work at some point. It's meant to like run and speed up our scan. Well, yeah, he did, but I'm not sure it's there's any difference. So let's see. Mm, in how many seconds? Okay, so actually it is fast because if we see here, we'll discover that this particular one was 17 seconds, why this was like 15 seconds. So it's kind of lesser. Let's see the initial one we ran. This one was like 18 seconds, you see. So I feel maybe you would say it's fast, but literally no difference. I mean, what's 2 seconds? So with that, I would say we are done with port specifications. And in the next video, we're going to be talking about general port scanning and discovering of ports. Like we just did that, right? But let's see it in another way. Like literally the same way, but in another way. Thank you.